If you use the WWPass key in order to access any application online, we strongly encourage that you back up your key. This can be done within the WWPass Key application. The reason we recommend it's the only way to restore access to your key if your phone is lost, stolen, or replaced. So it just takes a couple of minutes. I'm going to walk you through how to do it. Just let me share my phone. One moment. Right, so now that we have the phone shared up here on the screen, I'm going to show you just how to create the backup. It just takes about a minute. It's very simple. So let's get right into it. First step is to tap the hamburger menu in the top left. From here, tap Create Backup. Now here we are just entering our email. I'm just entering the test account that I have and tapping Send Verification. Tap Continue. So this is just letting us know that the email was sent. Once we have that, tap Got It. Now the email is actually going to be, it's actually going to be in our email account. So navigate on over there. You can also do this from your computer. As you can see, the email was sent. All right, so in the email, tap the link. We'll go ahead and open with Chrome. Now, if you're on a computer, you can actually still log in with, since we're on our phone, we can just tap Create Backup. But if you're on a computer, you'd have to scan the QR code with your WWPass Key application. But since we're on our phone, we can just tap Create Backup. From here, we're going to enter our PIN. This is the PIN that you used when you first created your or set up your WWPass Key application. Ours is just for our test account, very simple. We do not recommend that you use something like that, but for demonstration purposes, it's fine. Anyway, it's that simple. As you saw, it just took maybe 40 seconds to get through the whole process. Now you have created your backup and you'll be able to access or restore access rather to your WWPass Key in the event that your phone is lost, stolen, or replaced, which is awesome. And if you have any questions, please let us know. You can reach out to us at support@wwpass.com. Thank you.